Hello everyone, welcome to maths classes. Today we are going to discuss some set operations. First we will define a universal set. A set X is called a universal set if every set under consideration is a subset of X. Means X is the superset of all the sets under consideration. You may use the notation X or capital U for denoting the universal set. For example, consider this disk. Here, this U stands for universal set generally. This is the set A having elements 1, 2, 3 and U is the set having all the elements 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Means A is a subset of this U. U is the biggest set here under consideration. That's why U is the universal set. Next, how to evaluate the union of sets. If we are given two sets A 1, 2, 3, 4, B 2, 3, 5 and we are asked to write down the A union B. In A union B, it contains all the X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. Means you can say A में है and B में है तब भी लिखना है, A में है लेकिन B में वो एलिमेंट नहीं है तब भी यूनियन में आएगा, A में नहीं है B में है तब भी यूनियन में आएगा. एक ही केस में यूनियन में नहीं आएगा जब वो एलिमेंट दोनों में ना हो, तब आप उसे यूनियन में नहीं लिखेंगे. तीनों ही केसेस में चाहे दोनों में हो या उसमें किसी एक में हो तब भी आप वो यूनियन में एलिमेंट लिखेंगे. So here A contains the elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and B contains the element 2, 3, 5. Then A union B means 1, 2, 3, 4 and from here we have 5. We can't write 2 times. We can't write 3 twice because set is a well-defined collection of distinct objects. We can write one element only once. So A union B covers all the elements of A and B but not repeating the elements. Okay. For example, this is the set U, this is set A. A union B means this plus this. इन दोनों को हमें यूनियन लेनी है. प्लस मीन्स यूनियन लेनी है. तो we will be getting 1, 2 up to 10. 1, 2, 3 will not be repeated twice. We can write only once. Intersection of the sets. For example, consider the same set. This is U, this is A. Intersection means A intersection B means those x's such that x belongs to A and x belongs to B as well. Means दोनों में होना चाहिए. ये सेट A है, ये B है, दोनों में है तभी इंटरसेक्शन में जाएगा. इसमें नहीं है, इसमें है तो भी नहीं जाएगा इंटरसेक्शन में. इसमें है, इसमें नहीं है तो भी नहीं जाएगा इंटरसेक्शन में. दोनों में नहीं है तब तो जाना ही नहीं है. ठीक है. तो इंटरसेक्शन में वही एलिमेंट होंगे जो दोनों के कॉमन एलिमेंट्स होंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर हमें U और इस A की इंटरसेक्शन लेनी हो तो केवल 1, 2, 3 ही एलिमेंट्स हमें ऐसे मिलेंगे जो A में भी हैं एंड जो U में भी हैं. दिस इज A. तो A इंटरसेक्शन U विल बी A only because 1, 2, 3 are the elements which belong to A and belong to U as well. I have given another example. Let A be this one and B is this set 2, 3, 4, 8. A intersection B. दोनों का common part 2, 3, 2, 3. 6 is here but 6 does not belong to B. 8 is here but 8 does not belong to A. So they will not appear in the intersection. This is A intersection B. Suppose this is the disk, green disk. This is a set Q. This whole set Q. Later on we will name it as R. This is set Q, this round circle, blue color, and this circle S. You can see this is the common part. This part is the common part. This is a part of S also and this is a part of Q as well. So this red portion is the intersection of S and Q. just draw two circles that common part belong to both the circles. This is a set, and these elements, if you cover this, this is a part of this. If you cover this, this is a part of this, means this is a part common to both the sets. So this is the intersection of Q and S, and we have named it as some another set R. Okay. If we are given three sets, A is this one, B is this one, and some set C, 2, 4, 6, and we can calculate the B intersection C in a similar manner. B intersection C, common elements of B and C, 2, 2, 3, 3 is here but 3 is not here, 4, 4. So this is B intersection E, C, only 2 and 4. Similarly, we can calculate C intersection A, common elements of C and A, 2, 2, 6 and 6. So this is 2, 3, 6, 2, 4, 6. So C intersection A will be 2, 6. Okay. Now calculate the intersection of all the three sets A, B, C. Means those elements which are common to A and B and C. 2 is in A, B में भी है, C में भी है, तो 2 तीनों के इंटरसेक्शन में भी आएगा. 3 A में है, 3 B में है, बट C आपके पास 3 आपके पास C में नहीं है, तो 3 नहीं आएगा. 6 इसमें है, इसमें नहीं है, इसमें है, लेकिन तीनों में नहीं है, इसलिए इंटरसेक्शन में नहीं आएगा. दिस इज द इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ ऑल द थ्री सेट्स A, B and C. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस इज द डिस्क. This is 3, 6, 2, 5, 4, 8. You can write, say this is set A. It has become lighter and lighter. This is set A. This is set B. And this is set C. This is set C. This is B. Okay. You can see elements of B are, I hope it is quite visible, 6, 2, 5 and 7 is written on the black portion. It's not visible, but you may assume here it is 7. So B contains 2, 6, 5, 7. A contains 3, 6, 7, 8. And C contains 4, 5, 7, 8. So you can see this is C, this is B. This circle, what is the common part? 5 and 7. So 5 and 7 is the intersection of B and C. You can see this is B, this is A. 3, 8, 7, 6. So you can see B and this is A. So this 6 and 7 is the common part of A and B. 6 and 7 is the intersection of B. And similarly, A and C have the common elements 8 and 7. This is the intersection of A and C. This is the intersection of A and B. And this is the intersection of C and B. You are observing that this element, black shaded element 7, is common to all A, B and C. This black chip is the common portion of A, B and C. Means this is A intersection. Oh, it's fallen. This black chip. This black chip numbered 7. Now it is visible. 7. This is the common portion of all the three sets. So this is A intersection B intersection C, and the white shaded included this black denotes, this is 6 denotes A intersection B, 6 plus 7, 8 plus 7 denotes A intersection C, and 5 plus 7 denotes B intersection C. This was all about intersection of sets. Thank you.